Next question is question number 3. If angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT in the given figure. See here, angle PQR. This is the figure given. PQR is a triangle and ST is a straight line. Then what is given? Angle PQR is named as angle 1. Angle PRQ we have named it as angle 2. This angle 1 is equal to angle 2, it is given. Then prove that PQS is equal to PRT. Angle PQS we have given named it as angle 3 and PRT angle 4. Means in this question the given is that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and we have to prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Then in the given we will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and to prove is angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Solution. ST is a straight line. PQ is standing on it. See, ST is a straight line. PQ is standing on it. Means angle 3 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. ST is a straight line. Angle line PR is standing on it. Means angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Means these two angles are forming a linear pair, and here these two angles are forming a linear pair. Means 1 plus 3 is equal to 180, linear pair. 2 plus 4 is equal to 180. 1 plus 3 is 180. 2 plus 4 is 180. These are forming linear pair. These are named as equation number and equation number 2. Now because the right hand side of these two equations are equal, therefore the left hand side will also be equal. Angle 3 plus 1 is equal to angle 2 plus 4. But we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Then these two angles will cancelize because these are on opposite side of equal. Then 1 is equal to 2, it is given, it will cancelize, and from here we get angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is angle PQS and angle 4 is angle PRT. Then angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. The next question is question number 4. If x plus y is equal to w plus z in the given figure. See here the figure is given. This AB is a straight line, OC is standing on it, and this line is standing on it, OD is standing on it. Now this angle is x, angle BOC is x, angle AOC is y, angle BOD is w, and angle AOD is z. These angles are given. Now also given x plus y is equal to w plus z, means x plus y is equal to w plus z. X plus y is w plus z, it is given, but it is not given that AOB is a straight line. What is given? X plus y is equal to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a straight line. X plus y is equal to w plus z, it is given, but it is not given AOB is a straight line. Then we are to prove that AOB is a straight line. Now see, given x plus y is equal to w plus z, it was given. To prove AOB is a straight line, proof. Clearly x, y, z and w are formed around a point, therefore sum of these all angles will be 360. X plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360. Sum of angles around a point is 360. It is the reason. You must write the reason in the brackets because otherwise the marks will be deducted. Now x plus y is equal to w plus z, it is given. Then instead of writing w plus z, we can write x plus y. Then we get x plus y plus x plus y is equal to 360. Twice of x plus y is equal to 360. X plus y is equal to 360 by 2. It is 180 degree. We get x plus y is equal to 180. But these are forming a linear pair. If the sum of angles of linear pair is 180, then it is on a straight line. Then the adjacent angles are on a straight line. But x, y are adjacent angles and it is proved that their sum is 180. So x and y are forming a linear pair. Therefore AB is a straight line. The next is question number 5. POQ is a line. See, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray. This OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. It means that in this question the one thing is to see very curiously that angle ROS, we are to write angle ROS in the terms of angle QOS and angle POS. No other angle is used in this. Means we are to convert this angle ROS in the form of angle QOS and angle POS. Given is angle POQ is a line. Then OR is perpendicular to PQ. Then angle ROQ is equal to ROP is equal to 90 degree. To prove is angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Half of QOS minus POS. Now see here, angle ROS can be written as angle POR minus angle POS. इस पूरे एंगल में से इतने एंगल को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो ये बचेगा. मीन्स एंगल ROS is equal to angle POR minus angle POS. Similarly, angle ROS can also be written as angle QOS minus angle QOR. इस एंगल में से हम इस एंगल को माइनस कर दें तो यही बचेगा. Angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle QOR. Now we have got two equations. Angle ROS is equal to POR minus POS. Angle ROS is equal to POR minus POS. And angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle ROQ. Now we will add these two equations. We are adding 2 ROS is equal to POR minus POS plus QOS minus QOR. See, angle POR is 90, angle QOR is 90. We will put the values of these two. 90 minus 90 will cancelize and we get here minus POS plus QOS. Means twice of ROS is equal to QOS minus POS. Angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS by 2. We take 2 on the right hand side, or we can say that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. And this is the full solution.